It's a new dawn here, Skadden Wash, Quartzsite, Arizona. Join me for some news here later on in the video. Excited, finally going to get to show y'all what I've been waiting on. Enjoy the video, we'll see you at the end. Hey, I think the hardest thing to do out here for me is when it's time for me to go my separate way for a little bit. Everybody is going on up towards Parker, getting ready for a van build this weekend. I'm still trying to work out something where I can get where I can do it too. If not, I'll go about my business. I am meeting people that I met, at the end of last year. I'm meeting them again, catching up, hanging out, having a good time. But it is, I've been around some type of tribe or gathering for a month now, and I think I need a couple days just to recoup, figure out what I'm going to do. The big surprise I was trying to tell y'all about, y'all gonna have to wait until I get it all figured out how to get things set up. But I'm very happy about it. I hate to leave y'all in the lurch, but I just don't want to show it till I get everything done right, get my van set up the correct way, give y'all a view of my van inside, and outside is just totally dirty right now. All the dust and dirt we've been traveling on out here. But we're just getting ready to, I'm going up to Parker to get a couple things, and I'm coming back down. And y'all know why I'm doing the running around and why I'm kind of hanging out here in Quartzsite for a couple more days. But we'll catch y'all on the next side. Y'all enjoy the photos and videos on my way out of here. Pretty tall cactus, ain't it? Huh. I don't know if you can hear the traffic out in the distance, but that's Interstate 10. There's the cactus patch. folks. Finished my things up there in Parker. I come back down to Quartzsite. Today, I'm headed over here to Quartzsite storage, where the HOA Home Alliance on Wheels, or Wheels Alliance. I'll say it right here in a minute. But they're giving the 40 solar panels and setup kits to the recipients today, and I happen to be one of them. So that's what I was keeping from y'all for a little bit. But I'm going over here. There's going to be a live feed today on Bob's YouTube Cheap RV Living channel, and the recipients are going to meet over here, and he's going to have questions and answers and possibly an update on the 2020 RTR. So that's what I'm doing. Go over here and get parked, and we'll do the live feed with them and possibly get a photo if I can. If not, he's Bob. We'll catch y'all on the other side. You see? Home on Wheels Alliance is what it's called, .org. There's Bob right there. Yeah, I was here yesterday. Just come back for the live feed. Okay. $100 there? Yeah. Okay. That'll work. Okay. All right. Thank you. So we're here. We're going to do a live feed. We're giving out solar panels, Home on Wheels Alliance, and Renogy. Pretty cool setup. Got my camper. So that's how we're going to do it today. Once Bob gets going, I'll get a little more video or just photos. So y'all bear with me. VanCampinWoody. Buddy Nebo. Well, there you go, fellas, folks. Information on the 2020 RTR. The WRTR is from the 14th to the 17th of January, and the regular RTR is from the 18th to the 27th. It's going to be here in the Quartzsite area. They're going to give you more detail exactly where it's going to be at sometime within a week, but got to do that. We'll say thank you to Bob, Howell. Really appreciate the solar panel. Bigger than what I thought it was going to be, but it's going to work. And SanTan Solar, Renogy, the solar kit, installation kit, along with a 30 amp MPPT solar charger. That's an awesome thing. I'm so grateful. It's going to help me get things back on track here. When I have to use my auto battery for all my charging, and some medical equipment I've not been using since I've been out here because I didn't have the proper setup for it. So, but I am grateful. Thank you to all of y'all volunteers that helped me load it up, and I spoke with somebody who's even possibly going to help me mount it later on this week. But I do have possibilities of getting help putting it on here. But I do appreciate it. So that's it. That's what I've been waiting to show y'all. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that little subscribe button right over there and subscribe to the channel and let you know when I upload a new video. Thank you to the ones who have already. I appreciate you with all my heart, and welcome to you new ones. I will be heading up to Parker. I'm still working out getting into the van build one way or the other. But if I don't, then I'll do my thing. So thanks again. We'll catch y'all on the next video, hopefully up here at the van build. Have a blessed day.